This video shows a sample application. Here we're showing a Trustonic one-time passcode demo. Split into three parts: App, Client Application and TEE. App is the Android part and consists of two classes. The first one, Main Activity, is responsible for displaying a Hello World message and also a button to enable the user to click on to generate a one-time passcode. There's also a J&I part which looks after opening, closing and generating a one-time passcode using the trusted application. The second part of the app, the client application, builds a J&I shared object. This is built against the Global Platform Client API. There's a number of functions here, but the main function of interest is the one that invokes a command on the trusted application. So here we have it being shown here, and essentially we pass some parameters to the trusted application and ask it to generate a one-time passcode for us. Now let's have a look at the trusted application. This is built against the Global Platform internal API and contains a number of functions again, but the most interesting one here is the invoke command entry point. It's here where we're called from the client side to generate a one-time passcode. What this then calls is our own HMAC-based one-time passcode generating function. And here we use a number of cryptographic primitives to generate a key and also to generate an HMAC code, which we then turn into a 6-digit number and display back to the user. So that's the three parts. Now I want to deploy and test this on the emulator, and this is running on the right hand side there. I'm using Maven to build these three parts, so I select one of my existing configurations to deploy to a development device. At this point it will then compile these three parts and deploy the application to the emulator on the right here. As you can see from the trace, the emulator has been detected and it's now completed and built and deployed it on the device. I can now run this on the device on the right here. As you can see from the launcher, we now have a TEE OTP application deployed. It displays Hello World, and there's a button there for the user to click on to generate a one-time passcode. I can see the trace output from the console here where I have a shell into this emulator. When the user clicks on Generate OTP, we can see trace information from the TEE and the 6-digit code generated.